In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share purchased apps between devices in Play Store. There are a few important things to understand first because sharing purchased apps can mean different things depending on the situation. The main option Google provides is called Google Play Family Library. This is the official way to share eligible paid apps and games with other people across multiple devices. With Google Play Family Library, you can share eligible purchases with up to 5 family members by setting up a family group. This is useful if you want other members of your household to access apps and games you've already paid for without each person buying them again individually. Keep in mind that not every app is eligible for sharing, so availability can depend on the developer and the type of purchase. Another common situation is when the second device belongs to you. In that case, the process is much simpler. If you're using the same Google account on both devices, you do not need to buy your apps again. As long as the purchased app is tied to that same Google account, you can go to the Play Store on the second device, sign in with that account, and download the app again. This works because your purchase history is connected to your account, not just to one phone or tablet. So if you've switched devices, added a second Android device, or replaced an old phone, using the same Google account is usually all you need. It's one of the easiest ways to access your paid apps again without extra cost. There's also another method that people sometimes use, which is transferring app files locally. If you want to send an app file directly to a nearby device without downloading it over the internet again, you can use the built-in share feature. This can help save time and mobile data, especially if both devices are close to each other. That said, it's important to understand what this does and does not mean. Transferring an app file locally may move the installation file to another device, but access to paid apps and full functionality can still depend on account ownership, licensing, and whether the receiving device is authorized to use that purchase. So for paid apps, the safest and most reliable method is still using the same Google account for your own devices or setting up Family Library for eligible shared access. If you want the smoothest experience, stick with Google's official options whenever possible. That helps avoid purchase issues, licensing errors, or apps not opening correctly after installation. And that's how to share purchased apps between devices in the Play Store.